is power, 500,000 pounds of it, gushing from rocket nozzles that rise, slowly at first, from a launch complex at the Cape. It is the power of America. Knowledge, skill, energy, and imagination from every corner of this nation pool for this thrust into space.
The Air Force Space and Missile Museum, Sands History Center, is located at the main gate of Cape Canaveral Air Force Station near Port Canaveral in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Despite the priceless artifacts on display, the most irreplaceable treasure are the volunteers, many of whom were instrumental in the heydays of American spaceflight. Among the artifacts on display are one of the 11 original boilerplate Mercury space capsules. These boilerplate space capsules were full-scale mock-ups that were used to test various configurations and systems. Other items on display include rocket motors and re-entry vehicles, including this Atlas V rocket booster engine. The dawn of human spaceflight was an exciting time, and America celebrated its astronaut heroes. After the original 7 astronauts of the Mercury space program, the Gemini space program, which blasted off from Launch Complex 19, practiced the orbital maneuvering and docking procedures that would be necessary to send man to the moon. Here, an original console and the periscope from the blockhouse of Launch Complex 19 are on display. If you look close, the periscope bears the signatures of many of the Gemini astronauts. Other exhibits document the darker side of spaceflight, including this warhead from the development of the Minuteman missile. While maybe not as glamorous as the visitor complex at Kennedy Space Center, the Air Force Space and Missile Museum chronicles more than half a century of American spaceflight, from its origination through many of its proudest accomplishments.
In July of 1950, American rocket pioneers at Cape Canaveral launched Bumper, a captured German V-2 with an Army-developed second stage. More than 1,400 missile and space vehicles have since roared skyward from the Cape. Some have probed deep into the secrets of the solar system, past the moon, past Venus, around the sun.